Good morning, students. I am Satnam Kaur. I am going to explain the chapter number 7. Chapter number 7. See, students, that is based on the powers. We can see it exponent or powers. So, please, students, see it. There are some laws are given, like a raised to power m into n. If there is product sign base is same, we have to say take the sign of positive in between them. If there is division and the base are same, then we take the sign of minus there. Then the third law is if the powers are multiply on the same on the bracket there are, then we will take the sign of multiply in between that powers. Now students, see, if these exponents laws are there, then the positive, see, next law is of two values are multiply, power is there outside, this power will come on the outside both. If square root is there and cube root is there, it become 1 upon 3 power. If square root is there, it become 1 upon 2 power on the base. Then if m upon n is there, like this one, we can take nth root of m. A raised to power m is there, it is the nth root, like square root, cube root. It become m upon n, like this one. We have to see these rules, then we can solve the sum. Now come on the sum. The base is 5 raised to power minus 4. 125 raised to power 5 upon 3 divided by 25 raised to power 1 upon 2. Now there is the base 5. We have to make it base 5. It become 5 raised to power 3 because 5 multiply 5 become 125. 5 raised to power 3 outside power is 5 upon 3. Divide 5 raised to power 2 outside minus 1 upon 2. Now this 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. Now see student, base are same. There is the base 5, there is the base 5, there is the base 5. Then according to the rule, if the sign of multiply, we have to add the powers. If the sign of divide, we have to subtract the power. It become minus 4 plus 5, then minus because divide, then minus 1 because power is minus 1. Now we have to solve it. It become 5 raised to power 2. Now 5 raised to power 2 means 5 5 is 25. Now see if the fractional values are there. It is a 2 raised to power 4. It is a 3 raised to power 4. We take the 4 power common. 7 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, we take the 2 power common. Then it is 7 raised to power 3 and it is the 6 raised to power 3. I take the 3 common. Now these will fractional values, fractional power and power we make, that will be cancelled. Now there is 3 raised 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 3. Power is negative. We have to take the reciprocal because negative power become positive if we take the reciprocal of the given value. It become 3 upon 2 become positive. Now 7 upon 3 raised to power 3 and there is again 7 upon 6 because divide is there. We will take the reciprocal and it become multiply. Now we have to expand it 3 times, 2 times. Then the same values will be numerator, denominator will be cancelled and other will be multiply. See the next concept. If there is given 5 raised to power n plus 3 minus 6 multiply 5 raised to power n plus 1. Like these sums, how to solve it? Because plus sign is there. We know that if the base are same and there is sign of multiply, we add the power. But already add the power, we can make it multiply. 5 raised to power n, 5 raised to power 3 multiply. 6, 5 raised to power n, 5 raised to power 1. 5 raised to power n is common, I take common. Now from there I can take 5 raised to power n common. 5 raised to power n is common. 5 raised to power 3 minus 6 multiply 5. Now in the numerator and denominator same powers will be cancelled. Now I have to solve it. If I solve it, the value become 19. This is my answer. So please try to do. Now see students, our next concept is the same to solve the powers and exponents. I take this sum because there are too many minus powers are there. See student, what to do? We have to start from the inner bracket, that is our round bracket. There is minus sign, that means I have to take the reciprocal of it. Now become positive 1 power, we have not to take the 1 power. Now I have to this because I have reciprocal 1 power is there, no need to write the 1 power. Now I have to solve this curly bracket. I will take the LCM of 1 minus n, there is nothing, that means there is 1. Now after taking the LCM, I have solved it. Now it become 1 minus minus n upon 1 minus n. Again negative power, that means again I have to take the reciprocal. This numerator become the denominator and denominator become the numerator. Now this curly bracket will be removed, but outside there is sign of minus. I have to change the inner sign. Now see students, there is minus, this minus become plus. Now again minus sign, I will take again the LCM and solve it. This negative power again minus and 1 upon n remain there. Negative power I have to take the reciprocal, and again 1 power, no need to take the 1 power, n is my answer. Now next concept is 2160, and this is given value. I have to find the ABC. These powers, first I factorize 2160. When I factorize it, 2 will be 4 times, 3 will be 3 times, and 5 will be 1 time. That means there is 2 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 3, 5. Now there is 2 raised to power a. That means a become 4, b become 3, and c become 1. Now values of a, b, c I have taken out. Now the value is given 3 raised to power a, 2 raised to power minus b, 5 raised to power minus a. I have to write the powers a as 4, b as 3, c as 1. Then negative powers I have to take in the denominator to make it positive. 3 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 1. Just I have solved to it according to the power. That means I have to multiply. When I multiply, the answer become 81 upon 40. Please try to do it, students. Thank you. Students, I am going to explain the next concept that is related also with exponents and powers. First we have to make the base equals like this one. There is given 2 raised to power 5x minus 1 multiply 4 multiply by 2 raised to power. There is given 4. 4 have also the base 2. That means 2 multiply by 2. Now see, the base are same, sign of multiply is there. That means I have to add these powers. 2 plus 3x plus 2. Then this become 3 plus 3x. Now the base are same. That means if the base are same, we can equalize the power. 5x, we have to remove base, just equalize the power. 5x minus 1, 3x plus 3. Now I can find, solving it, I can find the value of x. In the next sum, see, there is given square root. Square root. This square root become power 1 upon 2. That means, or other, we can see, if we squaring both side, we have to square both side. If this I take the square both side, this square will be cancelled with square root. Now there is 2x plus 3, then 2 raised to power 4 raised to power 2, because 16 the factor is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. That means 4 times 2. Now base are same, we can equalize the power and find the value of x. In next sum, there is 8, there is 4. But now see student, there is 2 raised to power 2x, 2 raised to power x plus 1. What to do? Now base we have to make same, that is okay. But there is 2x, there is single x. That means I have to 2x I can take as y. I have to let it. Then 2x multiply 2 is there. That means it become y square. 2 raised to power x plus 1. It become 2 raised to power x multiply by 2. And 2 raised to power x become y. Now it become a quadratic equation with y. Now I have to solve it by using the middle term split that we already done in the previous. Now middle term split and factorize it. When I find the value of y, then in the statement there is not given y. I have to find the value of x. That means again what I let the y as 2 raised to power x. That means y, at the place of y I will take the 2 raised to power x. But there is 2 raised to power, there is negative. That is not possible. When 2 raised to power x, there is 2 raised to power 3. 1 upon 8 is that become 2 raised to power 3. With negative power x become x minus 3. Students, please try to do it. Please. I request you, please try to do. You can solve it. If you try, then you can solve. If you don't try, then you can't. Please solve it.